Speed and acceleration. Speed is the rate at which a moving object travels. The average speed is the distance traveled divided by the time it takes to travel that distance. When you get into a car and it starts to move, you can feel that it is going faster and faster. You feel pressed back into your seat. When it reaches and stays at a certain speed, you no longer feel pressed back. You only feel pressed back when the car accelerates. Acceleration is any change in speed. When something speeds up, it is called positive acceleration. When something slows down, it's called negative acceleration or deceleration. People are captivated by speed. Think about a roller coaster. Many people love to ride on roller coasters because it is thrilling to feel the acceleration. Many machines, from motorcycles to race cars and speedboats, are constructed to accelerate quickly. People from all over the world compete in races at the Olympic Games to see who is the fastest runner. What is the fastest thing of all? If you answered the speed of light, you are correct. While the speed of sound travels very fast, the speed of light is unbelievably fast. It travels at 186,000 miles per second. Since the sun is so far away from us, it takes about 7 minutes from light from the sun to reach the earth. Explain the difference between speed and acceleration. Friction. Friction is the force that acts in an opposite direction to movement. When two forces rub against each other, they cause friction. Rub the palms of your hands together quickly, back and forth, for a few minutes. Do you feel them getting warmer? This heat is produced by the friction caused when the surfaces of your hands rub against each other. This is why you might see people rub their hands together when it's cold outside. By rubbing them together, we make friction and heat. Friction can be a good thing, such as when you use your eraser to erase a mistake you made on a test, or when you're riding on your bike and you put it on the brakes. The brakes press against the wheels and stop them from turning, causing friction. Friction is used in car brakes, for making a fire, or even running down a hill. We need friction, or we would all just be sliding around everywhere. Sometimes we want to prevent friction so it'll be easier to move. Balls roll to help reduce friction and move easily. Many machines with engines like cars, motorcycles, or boats use oil to reduce friction inside the engine. Sometimes you might put a few drops of oil on the gears of your bike to lubricate it and make the wheels turn more smoothly. Give an example of when you would want to prevent friction.